Erokamano Ali kawadhi nyime ni duol mochung'ne timo nonro kendo loso laene ogenie pachoka mano Kipra dwaro ni counties mawuok e gwenge mongoro mar mondo mi mawuok e gwenge mongoro mondo los oket okenge mong'ith mag rakruok kod lokruok chal kor lwasi. Kagiloso Kilifi, romo mokelo kanyakla rowere jolony go jiwo piny owacho mamalo kod ma counties mondo ket okenge makare mabiro konyo joma tindo e rakruok kod lokruok chal kor lwasi kendo chuogo thuolo mag tije manyalo miyo gi yuto.
So the lack of water is one of them. You see most of them walking very long distances to be able to have access to water. We see many of them suffering issues of drought, and in some cases, again, when the rains come, we see them being victims of floods.
Also seeing how we're able to provide our expertise to some of these communities in terms of capacity building. So we're talking about budgeting for climate action. Are they aware of how much maybe might cost when it comes to preparation, adaptation, loss and damage, which is a very huge conversation right now?
And the youth form a larger integral part of the society because they are still energetic, they are young and they are creative. And because we are in the wake of climate change, because climate change is an emerging thing that needs more people to solve it, then youths can be able to harness their potential and their numbers in this place.
I'd like to call upon our government to actually help us fund most of the ideas, because the youth have a lot of plenty of ideas which are quite very excellent, but the problem is the implementation.